The Readings and Resources tool in Canvas lets you manage all your course reserves, readings, and multimedia in one central location. This video has several chapters, so view it all or jump to the chapter you need. Create a list, add collaborators, add items to your list, and view analytics. The Readings and Resources first screen looks like this. In future semesters, or if you've already used Readings and Resources in the past, it will be easy to create from an existing list and duplicate your previous one. For now, let's create a new list from scratch. Give your new list a name, then choose a basic template for how many weeks you want in your course. At this point, you may also want to add collaborators if you have other people who should be able to add items to your list too. TAs and instructional designers may need to be added to your course via the People menu first, and they must log into their Canvas and click on Readings and Resources. Then you can add them as a list collaborator via this List Info section and manage collaborators. Next, add items to your course list. You can search SMU libraries to add physical or online resources from our collection. For physical items on reserve, select which library location and which time period for the loan is desired. If you need more search options to find your library items, use the library search box on the library's homepage. In an items record, select this button for Course List, then choose which course you want. If you have your own files or want to request items we don't own, use Add Manually. An easy way to add links from the web is via the Cite It button. You can also add items from a citation manager such as RefWorks or Zotero, but first connect your preferred citation manager over in Settings. After you add items, you can rearrange them or create more sections. You can add a public note that students will see and a due date to either individual items by clicking on an item's title or to a group of items by checking the boxes for them. Note that this due date doesn't automatically connect to the student's calendar. To add it to the student's to-do list, see additional directions provided on our help guide here. When you finish adding items, click My List is Ready so that students can see it and so that you send it to the library staff to process any physical items. If you have questions about a specific list, you can communicate directly with library circulation staff via this Discuss with Library button. Finally, for simple, whole class level analytics, click on this button to see how much students have engaged with your list or with individual items on your list. For more detailed help, including how to create individual assignments and discussions around readings, view our help guide here. Use these help buttons on the guide to make an appointment with us for more detailed help. Thanks for watching.